What's up, YouTube? Coming at you with a couple announcements before this episode starts. The first announcement is I want to make a big shout out to Alan Kavorkov. Click this link right here to go to his YouTube channel, or you can click this link right here to go to his website, betheclaw.com. I also want to make a big shout out to Reed207. He only tried for Lice and Plush and has some great wins. Click this link right here to visit his YouTube channel. Another cool announcement that I have is that it's my birthday on Sunday, so feel free to wish me a happy birthday. Another huge announcement I want to make is that I got a new camera. This is a Nikon Coolpix S3000. It's a really good camera and I only got it for $40 off of Amazon. I'll be using this new camera to film some of my episodes. But remember, I still have a bunch of videos that I filmed on my old camera, so don't be expecting to see all the new videos coming from this camera. Another cool thing that I will be doing is I'll be posting a video every time my videos reach 2,000 views. So say this video gets 2,000 views, then I'll post a video. Once that video gets 2,000 views, I'll post another video, and it goes like that. If you're bored and there's nothing to watch on YouTube, try just clicking my videos a bunch of times to get more views. With that said, let's go to Walmart and play some claw machines. Oh yeah.
There we go. Yes. Oh, so close. All right. What the heck? It keeps dropping on. Alright, one more buck for him. wasn't very nice. I'll try one more for him. I keep on moving him. There we go, maybe. Yes. Oh, keeps on moving. What the heck? This is dumb. Stupid Taz. Gotta get him by the feet, maybe. Oh, come on. Just grab him. Wow, I don't think he's gettable. Alright, they have a Bugs Bunny right here. Just do kind of have Looney Tunes in their claw today. This should be easy, a lot easier than Taz. Just easy catch by the head, I think. Oh, hit the fish. Oh, look at that. It still grabbed him. Oh, so close. I can still get him easily, though. So this claw is a lot stronger. Ooh, yeah, that should have him. Yes, perfect grab. Nice. Got Bugs Bunny. Oh, sweet. I have a couple of these guys already. Maybe this bulldog, actually. I'm gonna try for the bulldog. Ooh, come on. Yes. No. Maybe so. Oh. Man. Have to try another buck. I might win it. Nope. And there she goes to the death zone. I kind of thought that because she was like standing up barely. And so if it dropped on her, it probably wouldn't be able to get her. Because it, you know. Shoot. Oh, it's still clamped. Oh. Alright, well, I want to try a couple other stuff. Haven't won very much so far. Alright. Oh. Knock this frog out of the way. So he doesn't. Alright, 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, come on, that should have him. Come on, yes. It closed, stay. Please stay, don't drop. Yes! Got the ginormous alligator. That's awesome. Oh, he doesn't even fit in the chute. Got an alligator. It's freaking huge. It's awesome. It did a clamp on his neck, so that kept him to the chute. I'll try this. One more buck. For this bulldog guy. I'm getting by the feet. Oh, shut up, Elmo. There we go. Yes, got the bulldog. Oh, don't. Oh, no. Oh, look at it falling. And into the prize chute it goes. Aha. Alright, got the bulldog with the huge mouth. That's kind of a cool prize, actually. Let's try for that green frog in the back. Oh yeah, I still got another try. I forgot. Annoying orange might. He's not gettable. This claw is impossible to pick up annoying oranges with. Kind of want to try for that Yo Gabba Gabba dude too, but I don't. He looks impossible. Maybe. Oh, that was actually really close. Picked him up a little bit. Is it worth another try for? I don't really think so. I'm gonna play something else. Okay, we're here at the other side. As you can see, it's been cleaned out, so there's not much gettable. One thing I want in here is that Taz. They're so hard to win. Maybe I can like hook the tag or something, like a miracle. Or maybe this purple dog. He's like, the tag is like inside the hat. It's weird. So let's see. We can snag something out. I'm gonna go for this flower thing. That Taz is not gettable. Oh, look at this. It's like when I move the claw, everything wiggles. He's pretty gettable. I wouldn't be surprised if I don't get him. Oh, I didn't get him though. He's gettable. I know he is. I just hit the owl, so I gotta be careful of that. Let's try one more. Okay, that one doesn't work. Let's try for this guy one more time. Oh, didn't hit the owl. It's just spinning wrong. He's worth one more try. Maybe I can hook him. I gotta at least come out with one prize. I think I'll spin the claws. Oh, no way. I got the bear off the window. I'm gonna go for him. Why not? I got the bear off the window. I think I'm gonna win him now. Yes. Oh, too weak. I snagged him. I didn't even think about that. It's possible. It just depends how well they're snagged on there. Try a couple more times. Can't really. There we go. Alright, there we go. Ooh, maybe. Come on. Yes, got him. Stay. You better stay. Cool. Got the bear. Nice. Prize one. Finally. It's about time. I think I ripped off his tag. Yeah. I think I ripped it off. Because I got him off the window, it ripped off his tag. Alright, man. Oh, it's gettable. Anything I might try in here? This claw doesn't close all the way either. I'm gonna go for Betty, I think, back there. This dog isn't cooperating well enough. I'm gonna go for her, try her at least once. Nope. Nah, alright. I'm gonna be done with this claw. Nothing worth getting out here, so I got bear.